this is Dave Steinberg, your mortgage guy, and we're joined by David Joyandeh, partner at Buccaloo, Frizzell, and Cravino. We were having a conversation about real estate. David is, as I said, a great real estate attorney. David, what's on your mind?
Well, Dave, I'll ask you a question. I know you're very experienced in the mortgage industry, doing this for 30 plus years. What are three things that a buyer would want to know about in today's market?
Number one, speed counts. It makes the difference between getting a property sometimes or being an also ran. So having your paperwork, having your ducks in a row, having everything set so when you're ready to make the offer, you have a very strong approval. That can make the difference between winning and losing a bid. Number two, having the right team. I know that I'm echoing something you said, but you want to be able to communicate with the mortgage professional, with the real estate attorney, with the realtor, with the insurance professional, and you want them to be able to communicate with each other with little friction. So having a team that's cohesive makes a huge difference in the success of the transaction. Finally, we are in one of the nuttiest markets I've ever seen. We're seeing rates go up, we're seeing rates go down. One of the things that we bring to the table is the ability to float rates down. And so if you're about to make an offer, you might want to lock your loan in today, but then what happens if rates go down in 30 days before you close? We have a plan for that. And so having the plan in place is huge in terms of a real estate transaction.
I agree. I mean, I always tell my clients that it's always important to have plan A, B, and C, but also plan Z in place, right? What if A through Y fall apart? And part of that foresight that I mentioned before about having is very important in the process of buying a house.
Thank you so much, David. This has been a lot of fun.